think if you look back, you assume that you had perfect information where now you have better information. But at that time, you didn't have a set of perfect information. You made the best decisions you can with the information you have. Because I remember my mother telling us, no, but they did this and this and this that they saw is now actually with us. That's actually now being revealed to be bad for kids. It's like, okay, but nobody knew, so it's fine. Don't worry, we're okay.
But the other thing I think that's because I don't think there is a person in the world, if there are very few people who don't have something that carries forward from their childhood, however big or small that might be. But
Mm,
somewhere something happened, whether it's good or whether it's bad or whether it's horrific, it doesn't really matter. But for that person, that something is something big, right? And I think what we often don't do is go through the motions to sort those things, to sort ourselves out. And if you're not okay and you're not clear on who you are and you don't, and you're not, then it goes to what kind of relationship are you in? Are you with the right person or are you not? And so it becomes like a cascading thing. But you need to look after yourself first and you need to sort yourself out because without that, you are not going to do the best that you can and you are not going to be present